Welcome to Burk Training. I'm Michael Trotter Lawson, and today I'll be teaching you about using OneDrive for Business. Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage and collaboration platform, and OneDrive for Business is a very useful tool that is included in most Microsoft 365 business packages. It offers an efficient and secure way to store, share, and collaborate on files, providing seamless integration with other Microsoft 365 applications, such as Outlook, Word, and Excel. You may already be using OneDrive without even thinking about it, as once a user has logged into their Microsoft account on a Windows PC, OneDrive will automatically appear in the File Explorer, shown here. In most cases, the Documents, Pictures, Music, and Video folders are automatically backed up to OneDrive. Note the OneDrive icon here. If the cloud icon looks like this, it means the files are currently syncing. A red X means that there is some issue syncing files, and just the cloud on its own means that your OneDrive is fully synced and all files are uploaded. As an individual user, or through your organization's IT team, which files sync to and from OneDrive can be granularly configured to meet individual or business needs and/or security and compliance requirements. Otherwise, OneDrive can be treated just like any other storage folder on your PC, albeit with some significant advantages over normal local storage. The most obvious example of this is accessibility. With OneDrive, like any other cloud storage service, the files stored within OneDrive are accessible to you anywhere you can sign in to your business Microsoft account. In addition to seeing OneDrive in your File Explorer, OneDrive can be accessed online at onedrive.live.com. Due to some features that are exclusively available online, the rest of the tutorial will take place here. Organizations can control where and from what devices OneDrive can be accessed to provide additional layers of security, so you may have different options or requirements when accessing OneDrive outside of your business or office. We have a supplemental video that explains how to set up a secure file request. See the link in the top right corner or below if you'd like to see that. But OneDrive has other features as well. By selecting a file or folder, you can share it with a coworker or other individual outside your organization. Simply enter the name of the person or group of people if they are in your organization, or enter their email or emails. However, security requirements for your organization may be different, and you may be restricted from sharing files outside of your organization. By clicking here, you can change the permissions for who you're sharing this with. You can restrict whether or not they must be within your organization, if they can edit or just view, the length of time the file or folder will be accessible, password requirements, and finally, if they can download the file or folder. All these options are also available if you choose this copy link option as well, which is useful if you want to send the link yourself as opposed to the stock share email that Microsoft sends. Other notable features include the ability to favorite individual files for easy access here. Also, to see all the files and folders that others have shared with you, navigate to this Shared section and see the With You tab above. Naturally, the By You tab shows all the items you have shared with others. Finally, know that OneDrive is heavily integrated with many Microsoft products, including SharePoint and Teams. If it has cloud storage and is produced by Microsoft, it is almost certainly OneDrive on the back end. That's all for this Burk training video on OneDrive for Business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.